Hi everyone, I'm Navneet Kaur and I'm here for my fifth lesson.
Yeah, so yesterday we did the fourth class, and yesterday I taught her parallel park, and today we're gonna give her the chance, and she's gonna show us. I'm not gonna give her any instruction today, and she's gonna show us how to do the parallel park. So this is what we're gonna show today, and let's give her the chance. So shall we go?
Yeah.
So obviously she's learning. If she's making any mistake, that's very normal. So when we are learning, obviously we make a lot of mistakes sometime. Even in the last video or today's video, if you guys catching any mistakes, leave it in a comment. So whoever's getting across my videos, they can able to read the comments and get more expert, get more tips, tricks about the driving. And if you guys have any question and concerns, that's also you guys can leave in the comments as well. So there we go. Navneet is gonna show us the parallel park now. So I'm gonna hands to do the parallel park with. There's a one blue car right there, Navneet.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do the parallel park with that car right there. She's coming. She's approaching. Right signal. So she brought her car next to the car, so gap looks good. So now she's moving backward. As you guys see, I didn't even say a word right now, and she done, and I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
In a second time, like this was a second lesson, so it was the first time we learned the parallel park, and without my instruction, she done perfect parallel park. If you got the gap right now between the curb and the car is about a foot, it's the same amount of the gap we should leave. And the gap at the front, she kept about half a car length gap, which is very good as well. And well, it's very good.
Thank
Awesome.
you.
The way you did it is perfect. But again, here and there, scanning.
Yes.
As you're moving, even if you go a little bit slower, it's okay. But make sure you also scan, signal on time. That's also, we should keep eyes on it. And when you park the car during the exam and end of the lesson, you have to tell, once you're done the parking, you have to tell them the parking brake is on. Because in this car, the parking brake is manual, right? Yeah. So you gotta mention them that the parking brake is on. And once you're gonna start going, once you're gonna change the gear to drive, now you have to tell them, oh, parking brake is off.
Okay.
Right? Okay. So see you on the next class now.